Now the outburst means sudden violence or sudden violent outburst. Disciplinary actions was taken on those sipahi who refused to the use of smear cartridge and were given severe punishments. Here we learn that this cartridge that were smeared of the fats of cow and pigs, fats of cow and pig, and here what happened, the disciplinary action was taken by the British government against the Sipahis who refused to use the smeared cartridges and were given severe punishment. The government or the officer of the British Army, they have given the punishment to the Sipahis or soldiers who refused to use these smeared cartridges or rifles. And in it, Mangal Pandey from Barakpur cantonment, right? It's a group of soldier. Cantonment means we can say the division of the, you can say the division of the soldiers. And in the Barakpur division, this Mangal Pandey shoot an English officer as a reaction to unjust nature of British officers. British officers, they were giving the punishment to the Indian soldiers, and the Sipahi or soldier of Barakpur cantonment, Mangal Pandey, he shoot English officer as a reaction to unjust nature of British officer. Now here is the one question for you. To whom did Mangal Pandey shoot? To whom did Mangal Pandey shoot? You have to answer this question. To whom did Mangal Pandey shoot? Now Mangal Pandey was arrested and hanged to death. This news spread like fire. The entire regiment of Indian Sipahis at Meerut took part in the freedom struggle and marched towards Delhi. Now here Mangal Pandey, this person Mangal Pandey, he shoot to the British officer, and you have to comment me the name of the British officer that Mangal Pandey shoot him, right? The news spread that the Mangal Pandey was shot by the Mangal Pandey hanged to death. This news spread like fire, and the entire regiment of Barakpur of Indian Sipahis at Meerut took part in the freedom struggle and marched towards Delhi. When the Sipahis heard the news that the Mangal Pandey hanged to death, then the entire regiment of Sipahis at Meerut took part in the struggle and marched towards Delhi. Thousands of Indians voluntarily joined them on the way, and when these regiments they marched towards Delhi, and in it thousands of Indian peoples were also joined them. On the way, they handed over the leadership of the freedom struggle to Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah, and they or the thousands of peoples, they handed over the leadership of this freedom struggle to Bahadur Shah. Bahadur Shah, he was the Mughal emperor and proclaimed him as the Emperor of India. Emperor of India, Bahadur Shah, he became the leader of the struggle of 1857 and proclaimed him as a Emperor of India. Means if the question is there 1857 who was the Emperor of India or who was selected by the peoples as a Emperor of India, that is Bahadur Shah was the Emperor of India. It is about the causes of the struggle of 1857. In it we learn economic causes, social causes, political causes, discontent among the Indian soldiers, immediate causes, and the outburst.